Our current fleet in a nutshell. 10, 13, 14, and 15, look at that, they're in order this week, will be going away. They are variable seating. All three have wheelchair ramps and can be set up as both wheelchair and ambulatory buses. 37 is a wheelchair bus. It's similar to 34, which I did a video on. All these are CNG buses. You see, when driver gets in at night, they or a mechanic will hook them up, and then that's the way they stay until you need to use them again. That means you're guaranteed a full tank at all times. Almost 100% of the fleet is here. The reason I say almost is my wife just left on a field trip. I got a field trip in a couple hours, so I took a moment of time to tape the fleet. I just did a video on these two Visions, 50 and 51. '23 and 22 are our last diesel transits. 10, 13, 14, and 15 are diesels, but they haven't gone out at all since COVID. And they're slated for replacement with electric buses. The next electric bus order will be replacing 22 and 23. And then there's 1004, nice running little bus, also diesel, also going to be replaced with an electric bus. So it'll be going to the scrapper to be ground up. There's my route bus this year, bus number 10. We got a photo op earlier this week with our school police for driver safety awareness, and then they went out and cited a bunch of people running our red lights. Great day for everybody. This bus 41, drove it when it was brand new. It's 2007. Over the years you change buses you drive. Here's the rest of our wheelchair fleet. These are 35-foot conventionals. They hold 20 walk-ons for wheelchair positions. If there's a yellow tag in the window, it means the bus is out of service, because this year I think 4 of them needed new CNG tanks. Not like a diesel tank, which will last forever until it leaks. CNG tanks have to be replaced on a set schedule. Next we'll cruise down to the electric bus route. They have their own place in our district. Buses 52 and 53, these are Giardian Bluebirds. They're electrics, and their roof line is as tall as a standard bus because of the battery packs between the frames. These are our 40-foot electric buses. 1 is missing. Yesterday a lowboy came, picked it up, and took it to probably Cummings to fix whatever's wrong with it. Electric buses days might be a day when all you have is electric buses, but we're still going through growing pains with them. So if it's got a black bumper like 25 and 24 here, these are model year 2018s. The first 2 we got in our fleet. And then if it's got a green bumper and green wheels like 49 here, and the rest of them, they're model year 2020. And it's 2020s that we're having most of the problems with, growing pains. But when we got the other 2, we had growing pains with them too. So new technology, whatever it is. So after bus 9, that's the entire fleet minus bus 12, which went to Cummings, and bus 1 that's on a field trip taking one of our high school volleyball teams to a CIF game. There you are. See you on the road.